The number of students enrolled in California schools continues to decline, and the number of homeless students is rising. This is according to new data from the California Department of Education.
Our political reporter Morgan Reiner joins us now with details. Morgan.
Heather and Carlos, student enrollment did decline again, but it's slowed down considerably from the previous 2 years at the heart of the pandemic. California saw about a 0.7% decline in regular enrollment this time around. 2 years ago, though, we saw a 2.6% decline.
The Monarch School in San Diego has about 300 students enrolled, each of them unhoused.
We see that the need is great. We see that the needs of our students, of the unhoused population, has increased.
The California Department of Education said the state saw a 9% increase in the number of homeless students in the last school year. There's now about 187,000 homeless students in the state.
When we participate in counts and other ways to find out what numbers are, we know firsthand they're underreporting because they don't capture every metric available, nor could they with the resources we put into actually doing these counts.
The percentage of homeless students is almost back to what it was pre-pandemic.
Definitely since the pandemic emergency status is kind of ramping down, ending, we've seen it tick back up with the amount of young people in the school districts associated with the schools experiencing homelessness.
San Diego Youth Services Chief Program Officer Stephen Gillay says his organization works with the school district to help identify homeless students.
The reality is these are families that are working. They're often having jobs, multiple jobs, and it's just not enough to get by in the economy.
Really, it's an issue that we have throughout our states, a lack of affordable housing. Those are a few things that if we can meet that, and again, if somebody smarter than me can figure that out or can provide access and break down some of those barriers, I think our states and our communities will go a long way.
Now in San Diego County specifically, there are about 17,000 homeless students, up from 15,000 the school year prior.
Well, Morgan, we know homeless youth increased, but what about some of the other categories like students with disabilities or even students in foster care?
Yeah, Heather, students that fit into both of those categories also saw an increase by either 2 or 3%.
All right, Morgan Reiner, our political reporter for us. Thanks, Morgan.